Problem number 5. It says a gun fires a shell at an angle of elevation of 30 degrees with a velocity of 2 times 10 raised to the power 3 meters per second. What are the horizontal and vertical components of the shell? How high will the shell rise? Will the ball rise? This is a WAEC theory question. Now, these are the parameters we are given: 30 degrees and the velocity of 2 times 10 raised to the power of 3 meters per second. I told us that acceleration due to gravity is a constant value, 10 meters per second squared. Now let's solve. Now we are asked to calculate for the horizontal and vertical components. Now, if you watch my video, there's a video I made about the horizontal and vertical components, the formulas to that. The horizontal component is V of x is equal to u cos theta. That is just the formula. V of x is equal to u cos theta. Now, V of x, which is the horizontal component, is equal to, what is u? 2 times 10 raised to the power 3 cos theta is what? Theta is 30 degrees. Now, V of x is equal to 2 times cos 30, okay, 2 times 10 raised to the power 3. Then you have to press cos 30. Cos 30 should be 0.8660, yes, times 0.8660. Now, 2 times 10 raised to the power 3 times 0.8660. 2 times 10 raised to the power 3 times 0.8660. We have V of x is equal to 1732. They say the horizontal component, 1732 what? It is meters. 1732 meters. This is the horizontal component. Now let's calculate for the vertical component. Vertical component is V of y. This is for horizontal component too. Vertical component is V of y is equal to u sine theta. Can you see the difference between the horizontal component and the vertical component? Horizontal component is u cos theta. Vertical component is u sine theta. Now, V of y is equal to, what is u? 2 times 10 to the power 3 sine theta is what? 30. So we'll be having V of y is equal to 2 times 10 raised to the power 3 sine 30 is 0.5 times 0.5. Now, 2 times 10 raised to the power of 3 times 0.5. You have 1000. V of y, please write it here, is equal to 1000 meters. This is your final answer for the horizontal and the vertical component. This is the horizontal component, this is the vertical component. Now let's solve for the second one. To calculate for the maximum or the maximum height. They actually calculate for maximum, not time to get to maximum height too, just that maximum height, the highest vertical distance, which is the maximum height. That's what they actually calculate for. Now, h, which is maximum height, is equal, this is the formula, u square sine square theta over 2g is equal to, what is u now? U in this question is 2 times 10 to power 3, but here has square, so all square sine square theta. Sine square theta is sine, what is theta? 30 square. Please take note. H is then, okay, sorry, all over 2g. G is what? 10. Right? Please follow me. I just have to impute everything here into this place. U is 2 times 10 to the power 3. That's what I did, but I made it square because of this square. Sine square theta. That means you have sine theta is 30 theta square. Please take note. That is how you solve it. Please. All over 2 times 10. G is already 10. Then we have h is equal to 2 times 10 raised to the power of 3 square. 2 times 10 raised to the power of 3 square is okay, I think 2 times 10 raised to the power of 3 is 4 times 10 raised to the power of 6, because 2 times 10 raised to the power of 3 is 2000, and 2000 square is about 4 million, right? So yes, 4 million. So which, and 4 million in standard form is 4 times 10 raised to the power of 6 sine 30 times 2, and sine 30. Sine 30 is, well, let's just write sine 30 so it will not be confusing. Sine 30 square, I just wrote sine 30 square all over 2 times 10 is 20. H is equal to 4 times 10 raised to the power 6. Sine 30 is 0.5. So we have times sine 30 is 0.5, but we have 0.5 square. Please take notes, 0.5 square all over 20. Please follow the step. I just did sine 30, which is 0.5, then I add the square, then all over this 20 here. Then h is equal to 4 times 10 raised to the power 6 times 0.5 square is 0.5 times 0.5, and 0.5 times 0.5 is 0.25 all over 20. So then you can just press your calculator here. 4 times 10 raised to the power 6 times 0.25 is 1 million. Is 1 million, which is 1 times 10 raised to the power of 6. Okay, so we have h. Please, we're leaving it in standard form because they already gave us the equation in standard form. 4 times 10 raised to the power of 6 times 0.25 is 1 million. And 1 million is 1 times 10 raised to the power 6. Because when you count, you have 6 zeros. So but when you count it and you put that point at the front of 1, which is 10 raised to the power of 6 all over 20. So 1 million divided by 20, you have 50,000. So here you have h is equal to 50,000. Converting into standard form, you have 5 times 10 raised to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4 raised to the power of 4. Right? This is your final answer. The maximum height, okay, is in meters. Please take note. Is in meters. So this is your final answer. I've shown you how to calculate for the horizontal component. This is the formula for horizontal component, the formula for vertical component, and this is the solution to how to calculate for the maximum height. It is not difficult. Solve more questions, practice more questions. Follow my page because you'll be seeing lots of questions like this and you learn. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Facebook page, like, share the video and drop your comments. Thank you.